Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. I am in my store today. I had a subscriber, Carrie, thank you Carrie, who asked me to shoot a video of fall in the store. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to show you around some of the things that we have for the fall. This is one of my favorite. These are candle rings with maple leaves, absolutely beautiful. I like fall because I find fall is easy to decorate. You don't need a lot to make something really beautiful. Here we've got some candle rings made out of what's called hops. On a coffee table, I've used a wreath. Wreaths to me can be dual purpose. You can use them on a door, but I think they're perfect to lay on a table. There's a tray underneath, and then we just set a few candles inside. Very easy. In here are my sweet little silver acorns. Those can also be used in a garland that we can put on the table. So let me keep showing you around. Here's a floral I have made for the fall. We love florals around here. I'm a nut about them. Sweet little pumpkins. These are our wheat pumpkins. And then when I try to find pumpkins for the store, I try to find the ones that are really different, and these just were stunning. For our big dining room table, I did 2 large florals in a metal urn. I just love the way these turned out. They're nice and airy. I did a garland down the middle with a beautiful burnt orange velvet ribbon. I'm a little bit of a ribbon snob. Then for our place settings, look at this. A plaid charger. Then we put plates on top and just this little cup on top and put a gold pine cone in. It just sets the table off beautifully, but still very casual. Now we're over in our kitchen section. Again, I used another wreath. It sits on top of a wood cutting board, and then we placed a metal pumpkin in the center. This would look great on a kitchen island, just really easy decor. One of the things I found for the store are mums that look real. These are stunning. Then, of course, you have to have pumpkins during the fall. Here I have simmering cider, balsam, and spice. And look how we just put the candle in a little bowl and nestled around some acorns. And then our very favorite candle this year is apples and bourbon. I'm all about a table runner. It's perfect all the time because what it does is it kind of breaks up the wood tone from your table to the decor on top. Here's one, give thanks, with a sweatered pumpkin, plain stripe, a little bit of gold for those who like a little bit of bling. This one's been our most popular one this year, the plaid, and then just a few others with one with a little bit of blue, so there's something for everyone. Well, there's a quick tour of our store. I tell you what, we've got a surprise coming up because we have something going on in the store that's a little bit of a secret that we'll show you later. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out. I hope you have a fabulous fall. Would you like to know how to transform any room and stay within your budget? A little too high? Want to know the secret to designing a beautiful room? It is all about the layers. I got my tongue tied. We've got everything from bedding to lighting, furniture, wall decor, and need help designing their rooms? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. Oh, the fever.
Here we come. 3, 2. My bad.
Accessorizing your home can be a lot of fun, but did you know there's a right way and a wrong way about going about it? Oh, I said about twice, didn't I? Come visit us and we will help you ragweed. Come visit us and we will help you. What was I supposed to say? Hello, I'm Jennifer from Jennifer Decorate. Oh, no, I'm not. That's my video. Hello, I'm Jennifer. Yeah. See, you just shouldn't have said I did a good job, and now I can't do a good job. So if you'd like to bring fall, sorry. Let me tell you. You know what JD's all about? Oh, sorry, one more time, sorry.
You know, we're all about accessories.
I know. Remember you saw us on Talk of the Town, Come see us at JD's All About Home. Our family wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. I hated that one. Yeah, I hated that.